In this video I'm going to show you how to find the best Surfshark promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up web browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome for it. Then go to google.com and in the search box enter Surfshark promo code. It brings you to that page where you got different websites that contains promo codes. You can open up any of that site and there check out the promo codes. As you can see here, I got 53 promo codes. I can scroll down all the page and check all the promo codes, but usually the best promo codes is on the first positions. So now I see that this promo code gives you up to 85% off. I can hit there at more details to get some additional information, and also I can hit at show coupon to see that coupon. Now I can copy that coupon and get to Surfshark website to make purchases, and also I can hit from here at get coupon to move directly to that site. There you can buy a stuff that sells here, and once you are ready to pay money, don't forget to enter the promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on that site or on some other site and try to use another promo code. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.